It is possible to embroider incredible designs in our CAMFive EMB machines. But can you embroider detailed designs? Join us to find out how to make this. First, install in your computer the WILCOM software to import your design and work on your layout. Our design has many layers, that's why we have to put a different color each. Once you finish, copy the design and put a mask on it with the letter or the shape that you want in your material. Some design sections will end outside the mask. Select those and delete them, taking extra caution in not deleting sections from inside the mask. When the cleaning is finished, export the design in TGMA or DST format and take it to the machine. This time, we'll work on a cushion cover. Once in position, set your design in place and start embroidering. This CAMFive machine will work each section of the design and will respect the shape. Once the machine finished, fill the cushion cover and enjoy your brought-to-life design. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more CAMFive EMB videos.